don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Upuchabu.
Hey, Stibo, how's it? Stibo, I came eliminated.
Sure.
Yeah, but I think I've said it during the week. Ngatibu coach, don't give too much respect to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
I've said it.
Yeah.
And Mamelodi Sundowns comes here today.
Yeah.
You give them the absolute respect.
Sure.
And you lost the game. Equally, Stibo, I've been saying that the downfall of the Orlando Pirates is going to be, the failure to convert the clear-cut chances.
Yeah, sure.
It happened today.
Sure.
We're playing with big boys. I'm sure you'd have seen the experience. Yala Bafana. Sundowns ukuthi benze njani ukuthi bashaye Pirates. The mental game that they played in this game. Confused inexperienced players were Pirates.
Yes.
And I think that's where the game was lost.
Sure.
But over and above that, Stibo, when you are going to play Mamelodi Sundowns, they don't compromise ngama home games wabo. Whether security issues or not, their games will always be taken to Loftus. When we Orlando Pirates, you have an advantage of playing at home. You take your own game, we let a FNB. It becomes a neutral game altogether, to be quite honest. But I think the league is quite interesting now. There's no need to panic. I think Pirates players should chin up.
Sure.
We've got a game that we are playing here, Netbank, which is our cup, by the way.
Sure.
But it's back now. But Stibo, I'm saying we need to be clinical because this is how you are going to hand E-League to Mamelodi Sundowns if you are not going to be serious. But over and above that, I'm saying congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. 2 shots on target,
2 goals,
and they converted. Pirates, you have Yombutuma. He played for the entire 90 minutes. If you can ask the coach, you could coach. But Lomfana Vegashalilin, what happened to Mahupa? How do you go to such a big game with 1 striker? A coach cannot answer. You have Umastachev. I don't think Mina Benzo compromiser Umastachev over Dijon. I don't think I would have done that.
Sure.
There's Masterchef on the bench. Mindro Juice, Unoktatama my shots outside the box. He's a quality player. But we have lost the game, and we are not scared, Stibos. We are still saying this thing is not going anywhere. Society at 3 points Sundowns. So we're going to meet the Kaizer Chiefs in 28. So keep Ellis Pongo. London. But Stibo, asithi siyabonga sinikeza abanye abafethu chance. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Basishaye fan square. Uswazi lizwakele ngapha. Ngidinga imassage ngizwile. Thanks Stibo,
thank you, Brache.